Show you the 2017 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.